Welcome to watch today's fresh home. This New York penthouse fuses craft with urban style for a cozy, chic sanctuary. Inspired by the rich tones of the Irish landscape, this urban apartment blends natural materials with bespoke city curves. One Domino Square, designed by Seldorf architects, is part of the more than a half-mile-long redevelopment of the former Domino sugar refinery site and Williamsburg waterfront, 2 trees, and offers views across 3 iconic bridges, over the East River, Midtown Manhattan and downtown Brooklyn.